Say hi.
Hi.
It's Robin and Madison.
And Caprice.
And my dog Caprice is over there running around acting crazy. So this is my youngest niece, Maddie. So we're about to do my makeup, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna do my makeup?
Ah!
Madison is gonna do my makeup, and hopefully it turns out nice. Maddie,
Yeah.
are you gonna have me looking crazy?
And Please get crazy with the toys.
Caprice is getting crazy with the toys. Here, stand up so they can see you.
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna do my makeup good?
Yes! I got my eyes on you.
Maddie, what you talking about?
I got my eyes on you. Do your makeup.
I'm almost done. I'm trying to get the stuff for you. All right, you gotta put the foundation on first.
Foundation. What does it say?
You have to put the foundation on
What's
first.
a foundation?
See?
Foundation. Remember, kids, be careful with foundation.
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 Yes.
It can hurt you.
Yes, if you put it in the wrong place, like in your eyes, it can hurt you. Yes.
Okay,
But
Robin.
not- My eyebrows are done, so now you're gonna do my my eyeshadow, or you gonna do my lips first?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow? Okay.
Eyeshadow. Baby shark. Kids, be careful with this. Because this, don't put this in your eyes, kids. Don't put that in your eyes. Don't put this in your eyes. Don't put this in your eyes. Because it's gonna hurt.
Show them which one. Which one? Point to it.
This one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use another color on your eyes.
Okay.
I use one. You look sick.
I am sick. What you doing?
I'm wiping it out of your
You wiping off my eyebrow.
mouth.
Good job.
Do you like them?
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's rainbow.
Oh.
I want to use this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Glitter. Look back. Ooh.
Oh, wait. Don't blow it too hard, Maddie. You getting it everywhere. Okay, come on. Show them what you're using.
Highlight the job.
No, highlight by MAC. Show them.
Highlight the neck.
MAC.
The Mac. Hey, be careful, kids. Don't put this in your eye. Because it's very gonna hurt you. And don't put them on your butt. It's gonna itch on your head.
Okay. All right, come on.
Something to show you about.
Okay, that's fine. What you doing?
This is lipstick. Don't put this in your eye, in your hair.
You just told him not to do it and you did it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Do this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna put blush on?
Yeah. This is the alien blush.
Blush palette.
Blush alien blush palette. I don't know.
Well, pick a color.
Kids, I don't know which color I'm gonna use. It is very annoying. You are saying, what the? It's gonna be a light color.
A light
Like
color.
white.
Alright, so what's the lightest color?
This one.
That's not the lightest color.
This one.
This the lightest color.
This one.
Well, whatever color you want to use.
I will use this color.
What color is that?
Red.
Kind of red. Reddish orange.
Kids. I'm gonna use this red right there.
Okay. You know where to put the blush?
Yeah, on your chin. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark,
Oh, God.
baby shark, do 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 do. And don't turn off our video. Watch our videos. There's gonna be a lot of videos of us, me and mommy and my mom, and Toby, and Priest, and Uncle Bell.
Okay, we're going to...
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Come back later. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.